Pretty clock repairs. Stick around, watch this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so you have a pretty clock. Alright, so you have a nice pretty clock that you have years ago, you get as a gift or something, or you buy it, you saw it in a store, you buy it because it's pretty nice and it's not working, so you don't want to throw it away, you want to fix it. Alright, so here what you have to do. Now to fix this, you need an engine, right? The engine in this gone. Okay, so you need a new engine or replacement. So here what you're going to do. Now to open this, you remove these 3 screws, right, to take out this back cover. But I will not take out the back cover because the front cover is already loose. Right, so normally you remove the 3 screws in the back cover to get 2 screws behind to get the front cover. So now that is out, the next step now is to rest this flat. Alright, now using two fingers, right? The 2 index fingers, and you put it between the hands and you're pulling upwards. Right, so let's remove the hands. Now, rest is aside. You don't want to hold it here or hold it on top here and pull it because it could bend and get damaged real bad. So the safest thing to do is just put it to index finger, right? Put it between the nails and let's pop up. Same thing. Now the next step now is to remove this nut. There's a nut that holds the engine. Right, so this is the old engine. And this is the new one. Right, so you can see the difference. It's the same size, same shape. Right, so whenever you change that engine, there's one thing you need to remember. Sometimes this part, this shaft, right, it's some of them, the shaft in it will be shorter and smaller, and some will be longer and fatter. So these are the same height, same thickness, same width, everything. Alright, so that's what you need to remember. You make sure you put them on the same engine, otherwise you'll have problems. So you rest this in the back. Yeah. And then you put on the nut. Now you want to tighten it, but not too tight. Alright, so this is good enough. Now we install in the hand. Alright, so this pop up. I will have to stick this down. I'll have to stick this down because this will be a problem. So Alright, so I get some paper glue. Alright, so the next step now is to provide the hands. Alright, so putting our hand on first, making sure it's straight. And I press it down. Then put the minute hand and then the second hand. Alright, so that finish. Now we're gonna make sure that the hands ain't touching one another. So sometimes I raise it upwards, sometimes downwards. Right? Now checking to see you're not touching. You're not touching the frame, the body, or any of the hand. Alright. So you do this right through. Make it go right around, make sure it does not, you're not touching anything. Alright, so not touching, so everything good. Now I put on the battery. And there you have it. Your clock is working like brand new again. So, no need to throw this again. To save this, all I need is just an engine replacement to save your pretty clock, your antique. your birthday gift, Christmas gift, whatever occasion. Right, so there you have it. Now you know how to repair a clock and save your clock. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.